Sky sent me their pool vacuum for my review, and this thing will take care of leaves, dust, all those nasty particles you find somewhere like in the middle of the water or literally at the bottom of the water. And the reason why it's going to be able to do that is because of this really cool little fan right here. So this propeller is going to propel and suction out all of those particles in the leaves and all of those debris, all of that debris inside and bring it out, right? So where is it going to go? Well, this way you're like, well, this is kind of like pointless, right? Well, this is why they've got a really nice mesh bag. The mesh bag is so easy to install. You literally go around it, and I'm just gonna go around the opening, just like so. I'm gonna grab there you go, just like that. And then make sure that it's secure, and now it's fully secure. And that's the cool thing, is that this is going to get filled up and filled up and filled up. And when you're done, literally just unhook it, grab it, and discard it. Don't discard the mesh bag. You're gonna have to reuse it because it is reusable. The cool thing with this is that it is adaptable with any of those pool poles that we're all used to, obviously with this kind of a adapter here, right here. So any pool pole will work. But the cool thing with this one is that they actually give you an aluminum super lightweight pool pole as well, extendable and retractable as well, which I like. So I had it on just like this, and you're gonna be seeing this in the B-roll right now, me kind of like cleaning the pool, running it up and down at the surface of the pool. Works at the bottom of the pool, I should say. It works incredibly well. And the reason why it works so well is because if I turn it around like this, it does have these nice 360 wheels, and you've got 3 of them like this. So simple. And if you notice, this is where the actual power unit powers this, this little propeller. I'm gonna turn it on so you can actually see it working. Look at this, just like that. So obviously all of that is suctioning out that particle, that debris, and the power button is right here. All of those buttons, as you can see, super sealed. This is how you charge it right here, and you make sure that once you submerge it, you need to make sure that this is fully closed and fully sealed. They do obviously give you the charger as well with it. But the fact that this is a full unit, it's extremely light. It's very easy to put away and tuck away when you're not using it. But yeah, it does a great job on any type of bottom of the pool, on any type of surface. Because it's so light and it is so practical and it comes with everything you need, this thing is a must.